Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cute YouTube intro using Canva. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting your YouTube journey, a fun and eye-catching intro helps grab attention and make your channel feel professional and memorable. So let's dive right in. First, open Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type YouTube intro. Canva will instantly display a variety of ready-made intro templates designed specifically for YouTube creators. Take a moment to browse through the options. Look for something that fits your channel's vibe, theme, and colors. If your content is bright and playful, go for something colorful and animated. If your channel is more minimal or aesthetic, pick something soft and clean. Once you've found a template you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open the editor where you can personalize every element to match your brand. Let's start by updating the text. Click on the text box and type your channel name, tagline, itate, or e-message. Play around with the fonts, sizes, and colors until it reflects your channel's personality. Canva offers hundreds of free fonts, so don't be afraid to experiment. This is where your creativity really shines. Next, let's add your visuals. On the left-hand side, click Uploads to import your logo, photo, or any graphics that represent your channel. Drag your uploads right onto the design to replace any existing images. This gives your intro that personal branded touch. Once your visuals are in place, preview your design to make sure everything looks smooth and cohesive. Check that your text is readable, images are aligned, and the animation timing feels right. When you're happy with how it looks, click download in the top right corner. For a video intro, choose the MP4 format so you can easily use it in your YouTube videos. And that's it. You've just created your own cute, custom YouTube intro using Canva. Quick, easy, and totally free. A well-designed intro helps set the tone for your videos and makes your content look more polished and inviting. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Canva design tips. Now go ahead and create your perfect YouTube intro and make your channel stand out from the very first second.